Hello, fellow dragons. Welcome to LSCO, your source for campus news and information. We're bringing you the top stories impacting your Lone Star experience. Our Student Government Association held the first General Assembly meeting this week. General Assembly meetings are a chance for any LSC-Online student to attend and speak on anything you may want to see changed, ask questions about the LSC-Online campus, and hear what the SGA officers are currently working on. The latest meeting updates included club news and many still need officers. This is a great way for you to add leadership roles to your resume and meet other online students with similar interests. The Student Life web pages are up live at lonestar.edu/LSC-online/student/life. The next General Assembly is scheduled for Tuesday, October 22nd at 1 p.m., and all students are welcome and encouraged to attend. LSC-Online is paying tribute to the generations of Hispanic Americans who have positively influenced and enriched our nations and society by marking Hispanic Heritage Month. We are pleased to have met with one of our LSC-Online students, Armando Flores, who has shared his story about how his Hispanic culture has influenced him and how the culture has impacted his studies at LSC-Online.
Wonderful. So my name is Armando Flores, and I was born in Texas, and the countries I'm representing are Mexico and Honduras. My dad comes from Mexico, and my mom comes from Honduras. So, I really got to give my thanks to them because they really just rolled the dice and, said, I'm going to the US. And if it wasn't for that decision, just like many other people, we wouldn't be here. The reason I chose my major, I chose business administration, and that's because back at home, we're so used to setting up our own businesses. My grandma she had several businesses. She, cut hair, or she set up her food stand. It's very typical to start your own business back at home, and I believe I should follow in those footsteps as well and learn everything I can about, managing a business and hopefully one day starting up my own business. And I'm trying my best to study, be the first person to graduate in my family in the US from college. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to it, seeing how far I can get and, hopefully having my own business one day.
Thank you for meeting with us, Armando. It was inspiring to hear your story. At LSCO, we take mental health and crisis support for our students very seriously, which is why we offer our Care for Completion initiative. If you are feeling overwhelmed by challenges that stand in the way of your success, remember that you are not alone. We deeply understand how difficult it can be, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Our services range from housing assistance to food support and mental health resources. This program acknowledges that meeting students' basic needs is essential for academic success. We aim to provide every student with access to resources for food, housing, clothing, employment, mental health, and academic support. For more information, visit our Care for Completion hub at lonestar.edu/care. Unlock your future potential with our LSC Online scholarships. At LSC Online, we are thrilled to offer you a range of scholarships that are here for you to give you that important financial boost that you need on this journey. We highly encourage you to explore scholarship opportunities that are available to you. Don't forget that scholarships are a type of financial aid that does not need to be paid back. That is a true win-win. Throughout the past 2 years, we at LSC Online have awarded 43 scholarships just exceeding over $40,000, and we hope to award many more. I hope that's you. Applying is easy, and the application process varies for each scholarship. Not all of them require an essay, and many are open to all college students regardless of your income, background, and your chosen degree program. You might be pleasantly surprised at how simple the application process is, so don't wait, get ahead, and check out our Scholarship Universe. Scholarship Universe is a super easy matching system that maximizes your scholarship opportunities. Simply create your academic profile and connect with a variety of internal and external scholarships. Your scholarship dashboard will show you an overview of your current and future opportunities. The more questions you answer, the more scholarships you may match up to and apply to, now and in the future. Make sure you keep checking back for future opportunities. Applications for the spring 2025, they're open already, so don't miss that deadline of November the 1st. To find out more, go to lonestar.edu/scholarships. For questions, email ol-scholarships@lonestar.edu. Thank you for joining us for another LSCO news broadcast. If you have a story idea, let us know. We welcome student submissions and look forward to sharing stories and celebrations as well. Share your news with us at ol-collegerelations@lonestar.edu. Remember, blaze your own trail. LSCO News. Until next time.